Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no vlog. So guess what this is? It's a vlog. Grant and I are getting ready to go to dinner. We are going to get ice cream and he is saying that the ice cream is dinner. So I don't even know if I'm gonna get real food, but hey, getting ice cream. We ended up at a Greek restaurant. Here's Grant. And here's our appetizer. And this really cute place.
What do you have there?
A cone full of cream.
Ooh. How delightful.
It's iced.
Oh, okay. Some cold cream?
Ice cream.
We just ate up there at the Greek restaurant, and we're sitting next to this alcoholic palace. Almost said plaza. Final bites. So dramatic.
It is the next day and we are on our way to Columbus and we are trying Taco Bell's breakfast. What do you think?
I love it. Give me more.
So we really like it, and yeah, now we're gonna be in the car for like 2 hours, so yay. So we just went to lunch with Grant's parents at, what was it, Dutch?
The Hofbrauhaus.
The Hof.
It's German.
Yeah, German restaurant, never been there before, pretty good.
10 out of 10.
And now we are going to IKEA, which I've never been to before, and yeah, I'm pretty excited.
We're also driving through a blizzard.
Yeah, it started snowing like while we were eating in the restaurant, and the roads are like pretty, yeah, they're really bad. So we're just trying to make it to IKEA alive. That is the goal. So yeah.
You're in so much
what
pain.
the roads look like this. They're pretty bad. Earlier we were like sliding and I was low-key scared. Oh, don't do that. That scared me again. Don't play with my safety. We are at the Cheesecake Factory after IKEA, which is really awesome, but we're broke so we didn't get anything. But
Spend more money on cheesecake.
yeah, we're spending our money on cheesecake instead of material things. That's fun.
Because you don't get happiness from material things.
No, you get happiness from food. Like, more like dessert.
Yes.
Like cheesecake.
Exactly.
We are back in the car eating our cheesecake, and look how beautiful it is. What is your most memorable moment in elementary school?
In 2nd grade, I had a teacher, she was really mean. Her name was Mrs. Miner. The girl sitting next to me had to pee. She wanted to go to the bathroom. She was like, ain't no joke, Mrs. Miner, I gotta pee. She was like, nah, you good. And she's freaking sitting next to me and she pees her pants.
Oh,
I'm like,
no!
Mrs. Miner, like, excuse me.
For me, I remember going to a school dance, and this boy, he went up to the table where they're like DJing, and he wanted them to play Ice Ice Baby, and they did, and I just remember him dancing like vigorously to Ice Ice Baby. So yeah, I don't know why I remember that so well, but it was funny.
Same thing, but in high school.
My most memorable moment in high school?
Yeet. Look at that limo.
Like a limo?
It's a bright pink limo, Carrie.
My type of limo. I don't know, like when I think of memorable moment in high school,
Memorable.
it would be in show choir when we would take night trips to places. And do I have to have a specific memory?
That was your question. I just put high school instead of elementary school.
Just use your own question.
I'm sorry that I was inspired by your questions.
Okay, then that's my answer. What What about you?
A friend of mine, Kyle, at like a class meeting or whatever in the gym for like student body government. He entered his name at the last second and went up on the mic and was like, "It's time we cut the crap. We need better t-shirts." He said t-shirts because we had like class t-shirts every year and they always sucked. But they thought he said teachers, so they were like really mad. And they like dragged him out of there, and at the last second he turned around and gave like the Richard Nixon like double piece thing, and I was like, what a legend. I stood up and was like clapping. It was
dragged
fantastic.
him out of there.
Yeah, they like dragged him out of there. They were so mad. And then I had like a video media class right after that, so I went and got on the computer and photoshopped his face on a picture of Richard Nixon doing like the double peace sign thing. And I printed out a bunch of copies. We just went around the school, put them up everywhere. It said "Free Kyle" on it really big. And they were furious about that. And for the longest time, they could not find out who made those posters, and it was me all along. I think I was like junior year of high school.
What's your most embarrassing moment ever?
I haven't had very many embarrassing moments. I'm not really embarrassed very easily. But like in the moment of this, I wasn't embarrassed. But looking back on it, when I was in 6th grade, I played basketball for my middle school, and we had like a parents versus players game, and my dad and I always joke around and stuff, and someone was shooting free throws, and he like was tugging on my shorts as a joke, just to like trying to mess with me so that like I wouldn't be paying attention. And like me and my little 12-year-old mind, after he did that and the next free throw, I just full on pantsed him. And he was wearing like tighty whities. Like looking back on it, that was a really weird thing to do.
One for me?
I know it's gonna be hard to pick just one for you, but
Hey! Because I get like embarrassed like a lot, but it's like little things, like stupid things I get embarrassed about.
Yeah.
So I don't really remember what I get embarrassed about.
you could have one superpower, what would it be? Everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I would know what you're thinking.
You would just want to like slap yourself. No,
Not bad.
most of it's just really stupid. Like all those times where I just start laughing out of nowhere and you're like, why are you laughing? Because literally remembering an episode of Jimmy Neutron I watched when I was 8.
But what about you?
Teleportation. 100%. 100%. I mean, you think about it, you're like, dang, I want some pizza. I don't really want to pay to have it get delivered. But like, just teleport there. Like, I'm here. Get it. Like, teleport back. Like, awesome.
That's true.
Or, you know, like, oh, 1 minute before class. Boom. Got the good seat in the back. Like, that's clutch.
There's one thing in your life that you could change, what would it be?
I don't know. That's a weird question.
It's a deep question.
I guess. I mean, part of me wants to be like, oh, well, I've met you earlier, and we married, and all that. The other part of me is like, gosh, dang, I love if the Browns would just win something. Or, you know.
Yeah. Pick the Browns.
Like to be in a band. That'd be cool. I'd enjoy that. What was the question again?
One thing in your life you could change.
Have a genie with unlimited wishes.
No, I mean like if you have something, you would change
I
it.
don't have a genie with unlimited wishes, but I like a typical one would just be like undo to be an idiot for like this whole stretch of 20 years. I'd be like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, for me,
That's good.
like, I think, obviously, the thing you just said, but...
The Browns winning?
No,
I'm sorry.
I don't care about the Browns. I meant, like, being an idiot growing up. I would change that, but it's just part of growing up, so whatever. And what I really would change now, I really, really wish you weren't allergic to animals.
I wish that I wasn't allergic to literally everything either.
Because I love animals so much.
Here's
And you're
the
allergic
thing,
to them.
though, even though I'm allergic, if I wasn't, I don't really like animals all that much. Like a dog's okay. It's probably the most I'd want to have. You know, like.
I don't even know why I'm with you.
Oh, excuse you. I am the best that you could ever do.
I didn't say, ugh. I'm just saying I love freaking animals.
Okay. Well, animals won't buy you dinner. Like
Animals who show me love and love me.
me. Do I not love you?
I think you do.
You think I do?
I'd hope so, unless you're faking
I
it.
do love you. Very much.
Tunnel!
I'm scared.
Why?
Driving is scary.
Okay. Well, I'm here to protect you.
Okay.
Okay, well, we'll end the vlog here so Grant can focus on driving, and I think we answered enough questions for now. What do you
Yeah,
think?
what are you, a teacher?
Yeah,
Asking me all these
I'm gonna be a teacher.
Teacher?
Shut up. Why?
They need to know.
Well, we're ending this here so I can go be mad at Grant.
Love you.
So thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. It really supports my channel. And subscribe.